Hi there, I'm Demitri. I'm with the Demitri team, and I am coming to you to talk a little bit about getting an inspection. So many times, we're going to go to sell your house, and one of the things we're going to recommend that you do is get a pre-inspection, meaning you get the inspection done. But when you sell your house, the buyer is also going to get an inspection done. The inspection covers all of your major things like your roof, your AC, appliances, electrical. It's going to check all of those things. It's going to find out whether you have termites. It's going to look and see if you have any sort of infestations, whether it's bugs, rodents, no matter what it is, it's going to look for that. It's going to look for water damage. So they go around and really with a microscope, in essence, take a look at your house, and they tell the buyer basically all the major, the medium stuff, and the minor stuff, all the problems. The one thing is that a lot of times buyers focus on minor stuff as though they are major, and because they are focusing on the minor stuff and they think it's major, they get these big dollar signs in their head and they suddenly want big credits or they want to walk away. So quite honestly, it is actually to your benefit to spend the 350 or 450 that it might cost to get an inspection, so you know ahead of time, and you could actually take care of many of those things probably in a weekend. Very easily get them done. They're usually little minor things for most cases, and if they're major, then it allows you to know that ahead of time as opposed to being surprised and somebody asking for a credit. You actually know that ahead of time, and it's also a great document for us to put in the disclosures when we go to sell, that we can tell buyers, hey, you want this house, blah, blah, blah. We have an inspection. It passed all of these things, or these things were a problem and we took care of it. So it's actually a good thing for you to do it. And I wanted you to be aware of what happens if you don't have one, and because you are going to get an inspection, whether you do it pre or whether it happens only at the time that the buyer does it. All right, I hope this helped you understand inspections and the value of them.